So children, with copper, you have seen that many objects which are made of copper, after keeping it for a long time in air, it gets tarnished, means it gets blackened. Now why does this happen? This happens because of the formation of copper oxide, which is a black substance. Clear? Now, this is copper. In presence of oxygen forms copper oxide. So the black colored layer which is formed above copper objects, when it is kept for a long time in the open, it is because of the formation of copper oxide, and then that metal piece loses its luster, that is the normal metallic shine. Clear? One more. With iron, iron reacts with oxygen as well as water. Mind it, water means here water can be moisture in air, forming this is called as hydrated ferric oxide, commonly called as rust. So now any iron object, when it is kept in the open, in presence of oxygen and moisture in air, you will find that the iron object gets covered with a reddish brown surface. That is called as rust. Now, rusting is harmful definitely because it damages that iron. Then it has to be repaired or it has to be replaced when it gets fully damaged. That is why, to prevent rusting, we apply paint on iron articles. Clear? So that oxygen and moisture does not come in contact with that iron surface. Clear? So whenever you find that painting is being done on iron objects, don't think it is just to make the iron object look beautiful. No. It is to prevent the iron from rusting. Clear? Now, whenever many of the metal objects are kept for a long time, you find that there is a change in color, there is a change in luster, the shininess, the shine of the metal gets blurred, or you can say it loses its shine. So that is because of presence of oxygen in air, presence of moisture in air, and presence of various other pollutants in air. So this is called as corrosion. So rusting is also a form of corrosion. Clear? So remember, this is how metal reacts with oxygen. Here total 6 equations I have given you, and and you will have to practice these equations nicely so that if it is asked in the examination, you must be able to write the equation as I have written on the board. Okay, so here you must write down oxygen below them. This is understood because one I have written, other you will write down. Clear children? So you must remember these equations, that metal reacts with oxygen to form metal oxide. Next, in the next class, we'll do how non-metals react with oxygen.